So a few months ago, I saw my Epson WF 3640 printing pages with faded texts and streaky lines. I tried restarting the printer, but that didn't do anything. So I went down a bit of a Google rabbit hole and eventually found a few tricks that actually worked for me. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through those 3 methods that fixed my printer, and hopefully they'll help you out too. If nothing works, you can give us a call at the numbers displayed on the screen. Otherwise, let's jump right in and fix the issue. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Clean the printhead using LCD panel. First, make sure your printer is on. Then tap on Setup on the LCD screen. On the next screen, tap on Maintenance option. Next, select Printhead Nozzle Check. After that, read the instructions on the display and follow them to print the nozzle check pattern. Method 2. Check the ink level. On the printer's display, first tap on Setup option. Next, select ink level to view the ink amount for each color. If you find the ink is sufficient, tap on OK. Otherwise, select cartridge replacement to replace the cartridges. If your printer is not printing, then don't worry, you can try the last method. Method 3. Clear printhead nozzle manually. Before you start the cleaning process, ensure that you already have the syringe and cleaning solution kit with you. Once ready, remove all the ink cartridges from the printer to check the ink level. If any of the cartridges are low on ink, then you should replace them. Now, grab your printhead and push it towards the middle. It's time to take a paper napkin and fold it as shown in the image. After that, carefully slide the folded paper under the printhead. Now, we will use the syringe and cleaning solution to clean the printhead. What you need to do is insert the tube right over the first nozzle and push the cleaning solution. Repeat the cleaning process for all the nozzles. Once all the nozzles are cleaned, remove the napkin. As you can see, the napkin color has changed after cleaning. After that, you should bring the printhead back to its initial position. Now, place the ink cartridges back in their place. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.